I'm Aman, and this is an AI candidate screening platform. What is this platform and why it is made of? It is in a platform whose vision is to make the end-to-end automate the complete recruitment pipeline from starting of the raw from the draft of the GD and the raw student to the most prominent students who are excel in any kind of the field. In this platform, we have been divided the complete workflow into two major steps. The first one is the pre-test, and the second one is post-test. In the pre-test, first we the GitHub profile of the user and fetching the important point and the programming language and the code, or we specifically say that what kind of the thing they have been worked and what type of achievement they have been literally made on the real system, on the real coding, on the coding. And on the second hand, we have been also fetched their resume on which we are going to add the research and the best project they have been made. And after that, we are going to parallelly analyze both this pipeline through the LLM and going to get the specific number regarding to this GD and their work. Now, after that, once we have this complete system and the process till now, till this thing, after that we are going to rearrange all the candidate and select the candidate according to the number of the needs that we required. And once we have that thing, then we are going to shortlist that amount of the candidate for the first for the pre-test phase. And let's see the example. Mm, Here I'm going to upload this small data frame, uh, where then I'm going to upload the GD, which is this. And once we have been uploaded this GD, we saved it and going to run this AI evaluation. And until it is running, let's understand this architecture more depthly. Once we have this shortlisted candidate, we are after that the recruiter are going to send the email according to their choice, how much of the to how much of the student they need to be sent. And after that, in the email they are going to send the test link, whether it's related to the aptitude test or the coding test. And once after that, after 2 to 3 days, once the recruiter have this all the data and the result of their candidate, and after candidate, then only they are again going to upload that marks to our applications. And these all marks are again going to be evaluated evaluated against the GD. And after again rearranging uh, um, all the candidate, there was there was we are going to generate the Google Meet link, which is sent to all the shortlisted candidate who are going to be eligible for for this video con video video calling interview. So this complete workflow are going to be going to increasingly save the time of the recruiter, recruiter. Let's see the example. Here it is a completely successful evaluated at the first stage. And after, once we have been evaluated all the candidate, we are going to send the email according to our need. Let's suppose we have to send the email to 5 student. Let's suppose we are going to send it to the 6 student. And after that, we can see that the template of the email and the main email ID through which this email are going to be sent. And after that, we can click on this email test link to send this email. Now, we see that all this email has been sent since here I used my demo email. All this email is directly approached to me, and here it is, all the email received by my this account. And after that, once we have this, we are going to send the test link, or the coding assignment, or any kind of requirement that that the company or the recruitment team need. And after that, once we have done that, we can upload the result, result after, once the candidate filled it. And after uploading it, let's run again the final re-rank. And after re-ranking all the student, we find the student 8 has got the final score 79.75, and similarly, and below this the student 9, and below this the student 2. These are the top performer of our data frame. And at last we can we can schedule the interview for to the amount, to the number of the candidate we required. Let's suppose we need four candidate, and we can talk to four to look to see to see to find the better one. And after that, we can schedule the interview to mark it for. And date has already marked 27 7 month. And the time is marked, let's suppose, at 10:30. And we schedule and send the invite to all these selected candidate. And this complete email email with the with the Gmail calendar has been scheduled for us. And we can confirm it from here, as as here all this email has been received by me. And here it is in a complete clearly marked, the organizer is Aman Kushwaha, and it is sent by the email ID of my original one. And uh, and 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 there only we have been sent this Google Meet, where this candidate can join at at this time to the recruiter. So this platform are completely going to reduce the overwhelming and over of the recruiters, by solving their time to invest in the in the better way, and the fruitful manner. That's all about this AI candidate screening platform. Thank you.